Ready to go?
Yeah, boy!
Hey guys.
What's up, everyone? It's Peter McKinnon. Just kidding.
What's up, everybody?
Alright.
Ready for Bali? Let's do this. Rajesh Kuthapoli,
Gonna, mate.
are you ready to Uber us to the airport?
I am indeed.
Did you just get...
Yeah, mate, no worries. Oh, yes, you filmed me video.
That hotel room.
Yeah.
Hotel room inspection. Dun, dun, dun. Nice. Oh, and the TV comes on straight away. Dead?
A little bit.
Ready for that? I reckon. Hey team. Yo.
Yo.
What's our first few days?
We're in Legian tonight and we're going to Nusa Penida today. Obviously, we'll take you and you'll see what that is. But first...
Coffee. Coffee for Tash. And that was really bad lighting, I've just noticed.
Yeah.
Hey Tulsa, you're on the video whether you like it or not. Everyone meet Tori. This is our guide for Padma Resort in Bali. Tori, where are you taking us today? Now right across to Nusa Penida.
Nusa Penida. We came from Kuta on a ferry. We booked through
Maruti Group.
Yep, and so we paid 100 Australian dollars or thereabouts to get a transport from Kuta to Sanua. It was just like a big van taxi with really good aircon. And then we took a ferry across to here. We're here for 3 nights, and then we take the ferry back and transport back to Kuta, where we're staying a few nights there again. And all of that for $100, which was really good. We've hired some bikes. We've had a mishap with the bikes already, but it's okay. 300,000 rupiah, so roughly 30 Australian dollars for 3 nights.
For 2 bikes.
Yeah, for 2, 1 each.
Find Insta famous Nusa Penida spots tomorrow.
Yeah.
Just rode from Sunset Hill Cottages all the way down, and we're heading to King Beach or something like that. I'm probably absolutely annihilating that word, but I'm pretty sure we're nearly there, and this is the view so far.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, calling me.
Ever since I saw this on Instagram, I wanted to come here, and wow is all I can say. How do you feel about these things once again being in high places?
Yeah.
Work it, own it. Tata. We made it. We're alive.
I've never been this sweaty.
We're down on the beach. And we walk all the way down that, and then down the other side. We had breakfast this morning in our little hut on the balcony with a good view, and now we've travelled out to the same side of the island that we were on before, but we're going to different spots, Angels Billabong and Crystal Bay and one other, Broken Beach, and this is the first stop.
Crystal Bay. We came here looking for Fluffy, which I decided to stupidly crash. We can't get it. So, rest in peace, Fluffy. I've already told them about the drone. Rest in peace, Fluffy. I don't think we did much else. We didn't pay for anything today except for entry into both the places, so it was...
Which was 5,000 to get into Angels, Billabong and Broken Beach, which is like Australian 50 cents, and then 3,000 per person to get into Crystal Bay, which is like Australian 30 cents.
Yeah, and I think that was all we paid for today, besides petrol and the usual. It's pretty much, what, $2?
$2 for like a full tank here for petrol. Don't go to any of the like personal vendors because they just absolutely cheat you. Like I paid $2 and she just put like a smidge in.
Yeah.
Then we went to the actual petrol station and it's just so much easier. And buy water at your hotel is probably cheaper.
Yeah. And we were at Penida Beach Club again, where we came last night. So yeah, QB roll.